Okay, we're back. We've got left off. Put those screws back in the holes just to keep track of them. Next, bring it over. You're going to like this. Push that back. Pull the little button out. Flip that. Pull the charging handle out. Pull your spring. Your charging handle. This. All that side, you should have this little tiny piece that's important so that the spring works with the charging handle. And the next part, excuse me, the screw on the bottom. You're gonna undo that. I can't get it one-handed. There we go. Just undo that screw. It's really short, you don't have to take off your grip. Don't lose the screw. And there's a little button thing you can just pop off. It covers up the screw. Oops. And you're just gonna undo that. Pick it up. You're gonna have this screw, or this screw. You have this little brass bushing that goes inside. There's a little lock washer. You set those together off to the side. It's important to keep stuff together and off out of your workspace so you don't have as high a chance of losing it. I rarely lose stuff, but still I do it. And just pull this gearbox up and out. You have this plate here. This comes off. This plate here comes off. Flip it over, take a look at the side. That part's broken right there. That should be extended out a little bit more, but it seems to work fine with it like that. A little tappet plate or whatever is broke. Yeah, that's the outside. The next video will be going into the gearbox. Later.